Why did justices dissent in the Tinker v. Des Moines case? Imagine a group of students deciding to wear black armbands to school as a silent protest against war. Their intention is peaceful, but the school district believes this act could disrupt the educational environment. This scenario captures the essence of a landmark legal case that examined the boundaries of free speech within public schools. The case involved students who wore black armbands to protest against United States involvement in the Vietnam War. The school district suspended them, claiming that the armbands could cause disruption. The students challenged this action, asserting their First Amendment rights to free speech and expression. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled in favor of the students, affirming that students do not shed their constitutional rights at the schoolhouse gate. The majority opinion emphasized that symbolic speech, such as wearing armbands, is protected under the First Amendment as long as it does not cause substantial disruption or interfere with the educational process. The court highlighted that the students' actions were peaceful and intended as a form of political expression, which is a core aspect of free speech protections. However, not all justices agreed with this perspective. The dissenting justices expressed concern over the potential for disruption and the authority of school officials to maintain order. They argued that the school district's actions were justified to prevent possible disturbances and to uphold discipline. These justices believed that the students' conduct could have led to disorder and that the school had a responsibility to prevent such disruptions, even if it meant limiting certain forms of expression. They also contended that the First Amendment does not give students unlimited rights to free speech in school settings, especially when such speech might interfere with the educational environment. The dissenting justices emphasized the importance of maintaining school discipline and believed that the rights of students should be balanced carefully against the need for order. They warned that a broad interpretation of free speech rights could undermine the authority of school officials and lead to chaos. Their view was that the school district's actions were reasonable measures to preserve a safe and effective learning environment. In summary, the dissenting justices in the Tinker case believed that the school district's decision to suspend students wearing armbands was justified to prevent disruption and maintain order. They prioritized the school's authority and the need to control conduct that could interfere with education over the students' right to symbolic speech. This disagreement highlights the ongoing debate about the limits of free expression in educational settings and the importance of balancing rights with responsibilities.